guys, so I need your help. So I've had my 335i here for almost 8 years now. Great car, right? 158,000 miles. With me working out of my house over the last 3 years, I haven't been really putting that many miles on it. I maybe drive, let's say 2,500 miles a year. So I'd be much more than 158 if I still had my previous job. But with that brings opportunity on, okay, what else can I add to the car? Now, my motto has always been for this car is to have a real clean kind of OEM look to it, right? Got your wheel spacers on, you know, they're looking good. I painted my trim along the side, you know, very light window tint, subtle changes, of course. M3, you know, trunk lip right here adds a nice little touch. Not so much an exterior modification or whatever, but you know, the Dyna mufflers on the back here. And then you got your M3 style mirrors. Look pretty nice. A little change. So BMW Performance kidney grills actually, and then BMW paint matched OEM front splitters. Very simple changes, right? Gives it a nice kind of sleek look to it. And then Lux Halo Angel Eyes, that light up obviously has daytime running lights. Looks pretty good, very clean, very simple. So this car was really optioned out with everything for it that you can actually get, you know, sport package, cold weather package, all that stuff. So where I need your help at is, I do have your basic mods on this N54, and I've had them on for quite some time now. So I have everything besides putting my downpipes on to be full bolt on. Usually run it on a map 7 for the JB4 with 100 octane unleaded in the tank. It will spike 19, 20 PSI, and it still actually gets to that with the stock downpipes, so that does pretty well there. But what do you guys think I should really do to this? So the reason why I'm asking is that I'm doing a full bolt on my F10 M5 at the moment. So I have the JB4 tune on as we speak. The intakes, charge pipes, and intercoolers on top of the downpipes with my JB4 that I have on this car. That will get me to full bolt on, and that will be probably all I do for a while, just because of, you know, I'm already getting up there just with the tune alone, 600 wheel horsepower. Be pretty maxed out on the stock clutches, so I'll need to kind of amp that up. But this is kind of where I'm kind of taking this one, just doing a nice clean full bolt on. I already have the wheel spacers on as far as the looks goes. Do the front lip there, and already fixed the window tint, BMW Performance front grills, you know, just kind of adding my own touch to it. Going to do the reflectors, paint match as well. So that's kind of where I'm doing it over this one. But the 335i, you know, this is where I need your help at, guys. What should I actually do to this car more than what I've already done today? Trying to keep it in combination of stuff I got going on with the M5 and all that, but I don't know if I should try up some different suspension stuff, do some videos on that, you know, change that up, add more power to it. Should I go that route, or do some really cosmetic stuff and call it a day? I don't know. I mean, it's all up to par as far as maintenance wise. I got like everything done. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Well, that really does it for today, guys. Just a quick little stroll around both cars. Looking forward to the mini mods that I'm going to be adding really to both cars. They're both very interesting, how they are and how they operate and how the boost comes on, really. So I want to do like a comparison between the two, so that way you guys can really see kind of just how it is. I'll be curious to see what you guys think. What should I add on? What should I do to it, I guess to say. And like I said, not trying to do too much on the M5, do a little bit more on the 335i, just because I've had it, you know, for quite some time now. All right, guys, you know, thanks again. Appreciate you checking out the channel, looking at both cars for all this time. It's been definitely a long road, and I still enjoy the 335i just as much as I do before, and equally I like the M5 as well. All right, guys, you know, big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know, check out the 335i videos. I do have some M5 DIY videos, informational videos as well. If you want to jump on the M5 market, prices have been going down quite a bit. It's a good bargain for really what you get as far as power wise and space. All right, thanks again, and I'll check you on the next video. Take care.